girls, and welcome back to another day of Fundation. Let's get ready to have fun. Get ready to echo. Now, let's take a look at the drill sounds. We have learned all the letters with their picture cue and the letter sounds. So take a look and let's go over them. Are you ready? A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. All right, boys and girls, great job. All right, boys and girls, we're going to do the drill sound warm-up. Now, we're only going to use or say the sounds of the letters that are underlined or dotted with a blue dot. So let's get started. A, apple, A. C, cat, K. E, ed, E. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. L, lamp, L. O, octopus, ah. S, snake, S. U, up, W, wind, W. Girls, we're going to try the vowel sound warm-up, all right? So I'm going to start with the letter A. I'm going to say the word by extending the word. When I get to the end of the line, I will finish the word and then say the letter sound, all right? So let's start together. All right, let's start. A, apple, A. E, ed, E. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Great job, everyone. So now, boys and girls, today we have a word of the day. A word of the day. How do you tap it out? Let's take a look at the word of the day. There's an F-I-X. All right, now let's tap it out so we can figure out what the word of the day is. Ix. Ix. Fix. Fix. How many sounds does it have? Fix. Just one. All right, and what is the vowel sound? That's right. The vowel is the I. Fix. Fix. What does the word fix mean? Have you heard the word fix at home? This weekend, my son broke his toy. So I got some glue and I fixed it. The word fix means to put something back together again, to fix it, to make it better, to make it right. Fix. You can say that someone took a tool and fixed something. My husband fixed the loose railing on our step. Fix. Or I could say fix as in prepare. My mother fixed dinner for all of us. Fix. All right. So fix means to put something together, to put it back together to make it right. Or fix means to prepare, to put something together so that we can enjoy. To fix. Fix dinner, or she fixed my bike. Right? Now, we are going to add the word fix to the vocabulary section of your student notebook. We're going to look for the section labeled F. Now, if we're looking for the vocabulary section, we can find the letter F on page 34. All right. If you look closely, you can see that it says vocabulary, and at the bottom of the vocabulary section on page 34 is the letter F. So you're going to write the word fixed here, and we're going to write the sentence. We're going to write a sentence for the word fix. So the sentence that we're going to write today is, my dad will fix my bike. My dad will fix my bike. So go ahead and turn to page 34 of the vocabulary section. Make sure that you go down to the bottom of the page where the F is. And on this first page, you're going to write the word, at the first part, you're going to write the word fixed. And then you're going to write down here, my dad will fix my bike. All right. So if you need time to write that in, you can go ahead and pause the video now so that you can write the sentence in your book on page 34. Boys and girls, yesterday we talked about using the sentence frames. All right. Today we're going to continue to practice using sentence frames to help you with sentence dictations. Now, a dictation is when I say a sentence and you'll have to write it down. So right now, I just want you to take a look. The sentence is, look at the picture. Here is the sentence. Dad sat on a log. Excuse me. Dad sat on a log. Do I have the correct sentence phrase? Let's see. Dad is the beginning of our sentence, so he needs to have the L-shaped sentence frame to represent that the beginning of the sentence will start with the capital letter. So that Dad sat on a log. And then we use the little one for the period. All right, so let's take a look. Yes, here is the sentence. Dad sat on a log. So when I give you a sentence, make sure that you're starting the sentence with a capital letter and you're ending your sentence with a period. All right, so the next portion, you're going to need your whiteboards and your marker. We're going to mark up or scoop the sentence, Dad sat on the log. Dad sat on the log. Okay? Okay, boys and girls, for this next section, you're going to need your whiteboard and your marker. Take a look at the sentence frame. You're going to write the sentence that I dictate or tell you. Make sure that you begin each sentence with a capital letter and you're going to end it with the period. You can use your fingers to tap out any words you may not know how to spell. Remember, do not tap out trick words. Trick words cannot be tapped out. You can use your student handbook if you need to know how to spell the trick word. All right, and remember, circle any trick words that you may have. Here's the sentence. Tom had a dog. Tom had a dog. Now, you can pause the tape or pause the video now so that you can have time to type out or tap out your sentence and write it. All right, boys and girls, you should have written Tom had a dog, period, like this. How did you do? Now, if you didn't know how to spell Tom, all you have to do is slowly say his name and listen for each letter. T, and then spell it out. Okay? It's going to take lots of practice, but I know you can do it. Make sure that you're holding your markers the correct way. Make sure you're pinching the markers between your pointer finger and your thumb, and you're pushing your marker on your other fingers to make a little table to rest your marker on. We're going to continue to practice sentence dictations. All right, here we go. I am going to dictate to you 3 sentences, and I want you to repeat the sentence that I say. Tap out any words that you need to, but I want you to write the sentence. Sentence number 1. The rat had a nap. Repeat. The rat had a nap. You can pause the video now so that you can take your time and write the rat had a nap. Okay. Sentence number 2. Meg fed the cat and dog. Repeat. Meg fed the cat and dog. Write that sentence for number 2. You can pause the video now so that you can have more time to write. And number 3. Deb met Tim and Tom. Deb met Tim and Tom. Okay, once again, you can pause the video to continue to write. Boys and girls, take a look at your whiteboard and take a look at the screen. Number 1, the rat had a nap. We circle the and a because they are trick words. Number 2, Meg fed the cat and dog. We circle the and because they are trick words. And the last sentence was Deb met Tim and Tom. How did you do? Great. Well, boys and girls, I will see you tomorrow for another lesson in Foundation. Goodbye.